Hello everyone! Good afternoon and happy and blessed Sunday, guys. How's everyone doing? Well, I hope you are all doing well and safe, guys. Well, for those who don't know me yet, my name is Roselle and I'm the person behind this page. So, today is a very good day here. Though it is raining and it is quite chilly. So this morning we decided to go to church. So that's our routine every Sunday. Go to church first and go to the shop to buy our weekly groceries. And now I am here in the kitchen, guys, trying to prepare some food for our lunch. So I am cutting onions and it's quite harsh to my eyes. That's why. Well, guys, for those who are to my new followers, thank you for your support, and for all those who are watching me right now as well, thank you, and for those who are going to watch the replay, thank you as well. So yes, it's just a quick live because I'm trying to cook here. It's called, what is this? Sinigang in our country. Since I'm from the Philippines, it's called tamarind soup based food. It's like a stew, but it's made of tamarind. Yes, so at the moment I'm cutting onions and I'm cutting some of the vegetables that I needed to put into it. Yes, we need to wash it first before cutting. To those who are new to my page, guys, and to those who don't know me, so I'm Roselle and I am originally from the Philippines and I'm currently living here in Ireland with my family for the past 21 years. So I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmom, a mom of 3 grown-up kids and a grandmother to 1. He just turned 1 year old last December. So guys, I'm just grateful for every day. Grateful that I'm doing this business on the side while I am spending a lot of time with my family and doing the things that I love. So as you all know, or maybe you don't know yet, this business is online. So we don't really need any physical store to run our business. So what we do is use our mobile phone or laptop and an internet connection. So the good thing about this is you can bring this business anywhere you go and anytime. And also, you don't need any technical skills or expertise to start your own business because we also have our video-based training, which is easy to follow, and the one-on-one mentoring and coaching. So, and besides, we also have a global supportive community that will help you on your journey in this business. So it also runs in automation, guys, once your business has been set up. So whatever you are doing, wherever, if you are working, or if you're spending time with your family, or if you are sleeping, this business is running in the background 24/7 because we have an automated marketing system, guys. So yeah, so if you are interested, guys, to check what this business is all about, that is my youngest son. He's also a business owner. If you are interested, guys,
very fancy,
to check this online business, you can register on my website, www.roselampiloquio.com, and you will receive an email. Just check your inbox or junk or spam folder for the link to watch our live webinar. It's a complimentary webinar, but if you're not able to watch it live, you can also watch the replay of it. So we are all real people with different nationality, background, profession, but we are all doing this business. It's global, so wherever you are, you can also do this business. We have this global offices around the world, so there's no problem with you doing this business anywhere you are. So just check this out, guys. Maybe this is the one that you've been looking for, to have a plan B while you're still working, that can help you change your lives for the better, because this is really flexible. So guys, thanks for watching, and happy Sunday, and have a good one. God bless. Bye.